Sawadee krap and welcome to Chiang Mai International Airport. Today's flight is going to be rather special because I'll be flying Thai Airways International back to Bangkok on the Boeing 777-200ER in economy class. But first, let's get checked in. First of all, Happy New Year 2021. Best wishes to all of you and please remember to stay safe. As many of you may be aware, Thai has suspended domestic flights since early to mid-2020. However, they announced the resumption of flights to Phuket and Chiang Mai, scheduled for January and February 2021, which is what makes this flight special. However, since the spike in local COVID-19 cases, they backtracked on their plans and will only operate 2 outbound flights to Chiang Mai. I was lucky enough to be on one of them. Unfortunately for most of us, COVID-19 is very much back in Thailand and cases are increasing as days pass. Social distancing and COVID prevention measures are very much back in full swing at Chiang Mai Airport. Anyways, our flight leaves from gate number 5. As expected, there were no ceremonies taking place at the gate. We just boarded the aircraft right away. I'm gonna admit, I was really excited to be flying Thai again after so long. It's been almost a year since I've flown with them or on any wide-bodied aircraft. Welcome on board hs-tjs, a 14-year-old Boeing 777-200ER, royally bestowed Pratnakorn. The aircraft can carry 30 passengers in Royal Silk class and 262 in economy class. I'm seated in seat 58K for this flight, located in the rather empty back section. Lucky for me, I had an enormous amount of legroom due to the curvature of the fuselage. I'd recommend sitting at the back if you're flying this aircraft type. Soon enough, we reach our cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. Snacks and beverages are now banned on board all domestic flights, which means Thai won't be able to serve snacks on this particular flight. However, they give out bags of snacks during disembarking. There's not much to do in the air, so I'll let you take in the TG nostalgia for a bit. seats on this aircraft are quite old. They are generally comfy, but the headrests are hard as a rock. Upholstery is worn, but it's very nostalgic and brings back memories of me flying Thai when I was younger. They are often described as having candy-like colors by fellow TG fans. That being said, they will soon be gone as Thai starts decommissioning older aircrafts such as the Boeing 777-200, 200ER, and 300. The total flight time is 1 hour and 2 minutes. With practically nothing to do on this flight except staring out the window and enjoying the TG nostalgia, time flew by very quickly, and soon we started our descent towards Suvarnabhumi Airport. During the descent, we flew past Don Mueang Airport as well as downtown Bangkok, which gave opportunities for very nice shots. We flew out into the Gulf of Thailand and made a quick U-turn to align with runway 01L. Welcome to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. First of all, I would like to thank you for following me on this journey and for the support. I couldn't have done it without you. Secondly, I would like to thank Thai Airways International as well as the crews and pilots who flow me all around the world for giving me this opportunity to fly with Thai again. It saddens me to see all these parked planes and what the pandemic did to the airline and the aviation industry. I would love to travel the world with them again once the pandemic is over. Please leave a like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. Thanks again, and remember to stay safe.
ขอบคุณมากครับสวัสดีครับขอบคุณครับ